How to make someone on Messenger as a group admin. So if you want to make someone on Messenger as a group admin, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Messenger application. After opening your Messenger, you need to go with a group. And once you're on your group, you need to go with name, which is on the top right, or go with the group info, which is on the upper right. And from the group info, you need to scroll down and then go with see members. Under see members, now here you need to go with the right side and you need to go with admins. And from admins, if you want to make someone as your Messenger group admin, then you need to go with add, which is on the top right, and select the person that you would like to add as an admin and then go with add, and the person has been added. And once you add that person, now you need to tap on that person. And once you tap on it, here you will have an option of invite as admin. You need to tap on invite, and once you tap on invite, the other person will receive the invite to be an admin, and if the other person accepts, then they will be the admin of that Messenger group. That's how you can make someone admin on your Messenger group. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.